All right, so for problem number 5, it says which graph has a strong negative association between D and T? So let's explain what that means. If I have a graph, D and T are the axes, right? So D, I don't know, maybe D stands for distance and T stands for time. And you plot different points. So a strong negative correlation looks like this. Negative means that it has a downhill slope. As I read it from left to right, the graph goes downhill. Think of a slope of a linear equation. So when we talk about association, we're talking about, does it look like a straight line? All right. So the data points are tightly bound. Now they're not perfect, but they're really tight. Okay, it looks like a line. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a line. So this is a negative association, but it's not strong. In other words, it's going downward, but it's not strong. It doesn't look like a line. It's too far spread out. On the next one, it kind of looks like a line. You might make the argument that it's a strong association, but it's not negative. So that's not it. If I scroll down to the next one, this certainly is a strong association, but again, it's positive. It's not negative, and they said a negative association. It goes uphill as I read it from left to right. Then D, look at that. It's a tight fit, right? Most of the dots are close to the line, and it's negative. So D has the negative association, okay? Any questions?